got him, baby?
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Okay. Okay, here. Hey.
Get your paws.
Look at.
Meow, 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 meow. Dog's trying to eat its their feet.
Oh my god, I was wondering what that blob was. It was my finger.
Stop trying to bite them.
Sorry about that. No, that's a little bit much, okay?
Ready? Oh, it's raining cats.
No, you know what? There's fresh tomatoes underneath there.
Cucumbers.
No, there's cucumbers and tomatoes. Lift the blanket, man. There's tomato. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
They
Can I
come from
eat
my
this
garden
one?
if you want. But you started, you finished it. It's been washed.
I love eating raw tomatoes.
Whenever I come here, I get.
Okay, this is a little problem here, right? Okay, Nathan, that doesn't happen here, so can you get rid of them all up there? How many is that there? 4? Come on, okay, 1. OMG. Okay, 2. Woo, 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 woo. Watch Mama's plants. I like. Oh. Okay, 2 down.
Shit, we're missing one.
Oh, there's 3.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh,
he jumped.
Spaghetti-O.
He jumped already.
He committed
Want me
suicide.
to go up? Really?
Yeah, 77 cents a pack. Man, hang on.
And you bought how many packs?
Well, because they're just for Timmy. 2 a day. I got
Found it.
20 packs. I might need you to pick them up for me. And you see what kind they are? Lamb and rice or something. Okay. Anyway, so where are you guys going?
My rash is here.
Oh, do you think anything in the fridge will work? I said, do you think anything in the fridge will work?
No, I just food is good.
Oh, my food is good. That's cool to know. Anyway, so there is a head of lettuce back there and stuff too, right? Ooh, dingle darn. Oh, that's a piece of chicken. It's very fresh, just from like last night. Well, because somebody ate the other 2 pieces, so yeah, that's the last piece.
Oh, I have a rash.
Okay, well, have a shower, Cheyenne. Jump in the shower. Why?
You want to try your new toy out? I want to try. No, that
Okay,
won't work.
okay.
Lotion won't work.
Just quickly wash up and have a shower. Okay, bye.
I'm loving it.